good morning. Let's eat, guys. Ayan, my breakfast for today. Ayan, guys, ito yung aking binabalik-balikan sa Goldilocks. Ayan, this is my favorite, guys. Ayan, maca marble cake. Love it. Sarap ng kanyang taste, guys. Ano siya? Halo siya, guys, at chocolate and what is that? And mocha marble. I really love this. Kain tayo. Ito lang yung kinakain ko, guys, for breakfast. Sarap. So yummy. Ayan, guys, ito yung aking breakfast. Breakfast ko. Ubus ko yung isang slice. So yummy. Yan. Sarap. Guys, good morning! And kagigising ko nga lang, guys. And look, my face is so haggard. Ayan yung aking natural beauty, guys. Ayan, let's eat my breakfast for today. Ayan, meron tayong canton with pandesal, guys. Ang sarap nito. Ayan, ngayon na ulit nakakain nito, guys, yung ating pansit canton. Ayan, tipid-tipid muna tayo ngayon, guys, kasi kulang tayo sa budget, guys. Ayan, kaya ito lang, sapat na. Sapat na, guys, yung ating canton. Sarap. Guys. Yan. Ito lang yung aking breakfast, guys. Ito lang, isang pandesal tsaka canton, sapat na. Yummy. So yummy, guys. Ayan. Guys, buhay mahirap. Tipid-tipid na tayo. Top. Yummy. Never. Naubos ko. Ayan. So that's it for today, guys. My breakfast. Yum, yum, yum.